Okay, I have a 2011 F250 and I am trying to figure out what this pinging noise is. Hear it? The ping? Only does it sometimes. There it is, ping ping.